When your TalkTalk YouView box gets stuck on a loading screen, shows a spinning wheel, or displays a black screen that won't progress, it means the system is struggling to start up properly. To understand why this happens, we need to know that YouView boxes are hybrid systems. They combine traditional television broadcasting with internet-based catch-up services, making them more complex than regular set-top boxes. The first major cause of loading issues is memory overflow from accumulated cache data. Over time, your YouView box stores temporary files and cached information that can overwhelm the system's memory. Network connectivity issues are another common culprit. Since YouView boxes need stable internet for catch-up services and program guides, poor broadband connections can cause the system to freeze while trying to load online content. Hard drive fragmentation affects YouView boxes with recording capabilities. When the internal storage becomes fragmented, the system struggles to access files efficiently, leading to loading delays and freezes. Overheating is a serious issue that can cause immediate system freezes. Poor ventilation, dust accumulation, or placing the box in enclosed spaces can lead to thermal problems that make the hardware malfunction. Finally, corrupted firmware can cause persistent loading issues. This happens when system updates are interrupted or when the software becomes damaged, preventing the box from starting properly. Hardware aging is particularly problematic for older YouView boxes, especially those manufactured between 2018 and 2020. These units are more susceptible to all these issues due to aging components, though recent firmware updates have improved overall stability. Understanding these root causes helps explain why YouView boxes get stuck loading. The complex hybrid nature of these systems, combined with potential hardware and software issues, creates multiple points of failure that can prevent proper startup. When your TalkTalk YouView box is frozen or stuck loading, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. We'll go through 5 proven methods, starting with the simplest solutions first. Step 1 is the soft reset, which fixes about 70% of loading issues. First, unplug the power cable from your YouView box for at least 30 seconds. Next, hold the standby button while reconnecting the power cable. Then wait for the full boot cycle, which takes 3 to 5 minutes. This clears temporary memory issues that cause freezing. If the soft reset doesn't work, try step 2, reset your network settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Reset Network Settings. This fixes connectivity issues that can cause loading problems. Step 3 involves clearing cache data that can accumulate and cause freezing. Go to Settings, then Device Management, then Storage, and clear temporary files and cached data. Step 4 is a factory reset, which should only be used for persistent issues. This will erase all your settings and preferences. Hold the standby and record buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds, then select Factory Reset from the recovery menu. Finally, Step 5 addresses hardware issues. Ensure your box has adequate ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance around it. Overheating is a common cause of freezing. If none of these steps work, it may indicate hardware failure requiring replacement. These 5 troubleshooting steps resolve most YouView box freezing issues. Start with the soft reset, as it fixes the majority of problems. Only proceed to factory reset if simpler solutions don't work, and always ensure proper ventilation to prevent future issues.